Cold season is coming up, so you can definitely stock up on some Halls cough drops at CVS this week. They are buy one, get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you're gonna get a $2 extra buck. So buying two of them at $3.39 at my store is gonna total $5.08. Definitely check the pricing at your store because it could be a little cheaper. So I'll pay out that $5.08. You can pay with extra bucks if you have them. You'll get back the $2 extra buck. And then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back, 50 cents on each one, making them just $1.08 each. Happy couponing. I hope you guys can score and make sure you're following me for more.